On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Mimic.
To imitate someone's speech, movement, or behavior, especially to make others laugh.
Examples:
Mimic a human voice. Mimic numerous instruments. He is very popular at school because he can mimic all the teachers' accents.
Envision.
To imagine or expect what a situation will be like in the future.
Examples:
Envision the future. Envision the project's success. We cannot envision her as president.
Spaceship.
Especially in science fiction, a spacecraft designed to carry a crew into interstellar space.
Examples:
A spaceship to survey the moon. Alien spaceship. They launched a crewless spaceship into space.
Inject.
To put a liquid such as a drug or other substance into a person's or an animal's body using a needle and syringe equals small tube.
Examples:
Inject under the skin. Inject a personal opinion into a debate. Let's try to inject a bit of enthusiasm into your performance.
Bloodstream.
The blood flowing through the body.
Examples:
Bloodstream in an artery. Bloodstream to the brain. Cancer cells are often carried throughout the body by the bloodstream.
Robotic.
Of or relating to mechanical robots, robotics, the interdisciplinary branch of computer science and engineering, with the practical use of robots.
Examples:
Robotic arm. Robotic guide operation. The surgeon removed the tumor using robotic video assistance.
Biceps.
A muscle located in the upper arm that enables the arm to bend at the elbow.
Examples:
Flexed biceps. Biceps curl. He injured his biceps during the game and had to sit out for the rest of the season. Endogenous. Originating or arising from within an organism, system, or process rather than from external factors, pertaining to internal causes or influences.
Examples:
Endogenous growth. Endogenous opioid system. Endogenous factors like genetics and personality are key in determining our behavior. Opiate. A drug or substance derived from opium or having similar effects, often used for pain relief or to induce sleep, something that dulls or lulls the senses, emotions, or thoughts. Examples: Opiate analgesics. Addictive opiate. The doctor prescribed a mild opiate painkiller to help manage his post-surgery discomfort. Yoke. A wooden or metal bar, often fitted across the necks of two animals, Used to connect them for working together, a burden, oppression, or subjugation. Verb, to join together or connect two or more things in a way that they function as one.
Examples:
Yoke up a horse. Under the yoke of slavery. The plow was attached to the yoke, allowing the farmer to till the soil.